When students start learning about the CNC machine, they usually start with drawings, coding, or theory. But the real learning begins when they stand right in front of the actual machine, and then they get to know how manufacturing really works. In everyday real production, every small detail matters. Machines, stability, accuracy, surface finish, repeatability, these are the things which operators focus on an everyday basis. And that's why working on an industrial style machine makes a big difference. Today, industries are not looking for students who can just run a program, but looking for people who have a complete understanding on a machining process, how the machine behaves, how the precision is maintained, and how the production is carried out.
This is where Phillips Education partners with industries, engineering colleges and students by creating Center of Excellences that promotes practical learning on the latest machines that strengthens the ties between the institute and the industries.
This is where machines like PVM 500 makes a valuable difference because it gives students an exposure to real machining conditions while still being practical about the learning environments. The build quality, precision and professional CNC control help learners experience what actual manufacturing looks like.
India is witnessing unprecedented growth in semiconductors, aerospace and defense, electric vehicles and advanced manufacturing sectors. This is creating thousands of high-value job opportunities. As these industries scale rapidly, employers are increasingly seeking the talent that is industry-ready from day one, equipped with practical skills, hands-on experience and ability to contribute immediately for the production and innovation. Phillips Education empowers institutions to bridge this industry-academia gap.
This bridge between education and industry is very important because when students move from classroom to the factory shop floor, the transition should feel natural. And the more closely the training and real-world manufacturing experiences matches, the student becomes more confident. Modern manufacturing has also become more digital. Today's operators work on a smart control, data-driven processes, and connected systems. Machines like PVM 500 help students to learn all of these things in a very early stage. At Phillips Education, the goal is simple: to make CNC learning more practical, more relevant, and closer to the real industry. And through this collaboration between Phillips Education and PE Tech, the Performance Series becomes part of this experience, not just as a machine, but as a platform to learn. Because good education doesn't only teach machining, it prepares students for the future of manufacturing. That's where PVM 500 quietly stands out. It supports both learning and real industrial thinking together.
Connect with Phillips Education to transform your campus into industry-ready learning ecosystem.